Hi, Steve Stazak here with Leader Speakers and another valuable public speaking tip. And this public speaking tip is the opening of your presentation. So there are three components to your presentation. That's the opening, of course, which is your title, the body of your presentation, which is where you're going to prove your title or substantiate your title, and then, of course, a closing where you're going to actually close them up. So let's talk about the opening of the presentation and how crucial it is that your opening has to be precise and it has to have these components. So if you don't get the attention of your audience at the beginning of the presentation, you may lose them. What do I mean by that? Well, the title has to be a solution. When the audience has a purpose for attending your presentation or your speech, your talk or seminar, what have you. Now, the reason they're coming in there is because they want a solution to their problem, right? They want you to solve their issue. So your title needs to be a solution. In other words, you need to hook your audience. You've probably heard of an audience hook, but you need to hook your audience in so you've got their attention at the beginning of that presentation. So let's look at an example here. Now, this is an example of probably a bad title. Improving communication within your company. Pretty vague, pretty general. You're not gonna, some people think that if you have a title like this, a general title, that you're gonna take care of everything they need to know in the body, which you will. But what you wanna do is you wanna have a title like this that's actually gonna grab their attention right off the bat, and it's gonna tell them how you're gonna solve their problem. So by improving communication within your company will lead to increased productivity and decreased waste. Now you've got people's attention. Now they're just waiting for the next thing, which is gonna be your body. So you can see, if you craft your title like this, how it's going to grab your audience and you'll be more successful right off the bat with your opening.